This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Maps on your Apple Watch Ultra. First, make sure Google Maps is installed on your iPhone. Then, open the Watch app on your iPhone, scroll down, and install Google Maps onto your Apple Watch. It's crucial to grant all necessary location permissions to Google Maps on both your iPhone and your watch for seamless operation. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once set up, initiating directions is straightforward. Simply open the Google Maps app directly on your Apple Watch. You can use the search function to find a new destination or select from your recent locations. After choosing your destination, tap the Start button to begin turn-by-turn navigation. Your watch will then guide you with clear directions right on your wrist, making it easy to stay on track. During navigation, your Apple Watch Ultra provides a highly intuitive experience. You'll receive gentle haptic feedback for upcoming turns, so you don't even need to look at your wrist constantly. The watch face displays clear turn-by-turn directions, including the street name and estimated arrival time. You can also swipe across the screen to view alternative routes or a more detailed map, keeping you informed every step of the way. To optimize your Google Maps experience, consider a few tips. You can customize notification settings for Google Maps within the Watch app on your iPhone, tailoring alerts to your preference. Use the digital crown on your watch to easily zoom in and out of the map view. Always ensure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone or a reliable Wi-Fi network for full functionality and accurate, real-time navigation data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.